In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access and manage your application's database in CloudRaptor. CloudRaptor provides secure, on-demand access to your MariaDB database, along with a built-in phpMyAdmin interface for easy management. To get started, go to your dashboard and click on Applications from the left sidebar. Now select the application you want to manage. Once inside, click on the Database tab. Here, you'll first see your database credentials, including the database name and username. These are automatically generated during application setup. Next, you can launch phpMyAdmin to manage your database. Click on Start phpMyAdmin. CloudRaptor will now create a secure, containerized phpMyAdmin instance and generate a temporary access URL. Click the URL to open phpMyAdmin in your browser. From here, you can manage your database, including viewing tables, running queries, and importing or exporting data. For security, phpMyAdmin is not always running. You need to start it manually, and you can stop it at any time. It will also automatically stop after a period of inactivity. The access URL is temporary and securely proxied, so it is not publicly exposed. CloudRaptor also isolates phpMyAdmin inside a Docker container, which means it only has access to this application's database and cannot access other applications or system-level data. This ensures your data stays secure at all times, and that's how you access and manage your database in CloudRaptor.